Hi everyone, my name is Abril Bustamante and today I'll be presenting my final project. This all combines the insights from assignments 2 through 5. My focus is on a vintage clothing business. I'll walk you through my strategic marketing analysis and recommendations. Before beginning the presentation, I would like to address the significance of social listening. In today's dynamic market, real-time insights into consumer sentiment are invaluable. Social listening tools provide a comprehensive overview of online conversations, enabling us to proactively address concerns and capitalize on emerging trends. By employing advanced analytical techniques, we can extract meaningful insights from unstructured data. This allows us to uncover patterns and sentiments, informing targeted marketing strategies and product development initiatives. Competitor benchmarking systematically evaluates our performance against industry benchmarks. We can identify opportunities for differentiation and competitive advantage. This ensures we remain agile and responsive to evolving market dynamics. So let's go ahead and begin. Here's a quick overview of what I'll cover in today's presentation. We'll start with the situation analysis, then explore the target market and positioning. After that, I'll dive into the marketing mix, present key metrics and recommendations, and finally share some personal reflections on what I've learned. So for example, Section 1, Brand and Target Audience Analysis. Section 2, Social Listening and Text Analysis. Section 3, Competitor Benchmarking. Section 4, Policy Monitoring via Reddit. Section 5, Managerial Implications. Section 6, Learning Reflections. And finally, Section 7, Career Application. Section 1, Brand and Target Audience Analysis. Our brand. The vintage clothing industry is currently valued at approximately $43.5 billion in 2024 and is projected to reach $125.2 billion by 2034, growing at a compound annual growth rate of 11.1%. One of the most significant trends driving this growth is the increasing consumer emphasis on sustainability, as shoppers seek environmentally friendly alternatives to fast fashion. Why Instagram? I chose Instagram to market our brand because Instagram offers a visual platform perfect for fashion. Instagram is an ideal platform due to its visual-first design, which suits the fashion industry perfectly. The platform is heavily used by 18 to 40-year-olds who value aesthetics, personal style, and sustainability. Features like Reels, Stories, and Post enable dynamic, interactive storytelling, which is core to the vintage clothing brand identity. Target audience profile. The target audience consists primarily of women aged 18 to 40 years old, many living in urban, fashion-conscious communities. They are middle-income earners who care about sustainability, value individuality, and enjoy nostalgic fashion. They frequently engage with aesthetic posts, especially evenings and weekends. Sample post strategy. A sample carousel post would showcase a 90s inspired look, combining a denim jacket, vintage tee, and retro sneakers. The caption might read, "Vintage with a modern twist, step back in time with this 90s denim vibe." Call to action prompts like DM to shop encourage conversations and sales. Here to the left side, we can see the sample post on Instagram with a young woman wearing a vintage jacket, a vintage tee, and the caption reading, "Retro vibes redefined. Embrace the classic 90s look with our vintage collection." Social listening and text analysis, Section 2. Local trends to global market. Social media enables brands to turn niche, local trends into global conversations. For example, trends like the hot girl walk or Y2K fashion spread rapidly due to TikTok and Instagram. A vintage brand can capitalize on similar movements by being early adopters and creative curators. Numerous AI findings. Numerous AI effectively analyzed long-term content like Yelp reviews. This makes their content easier to detect. It struggled slightly with sarcasm or short posts on X, or formerly Twitter. Overall, it provided strong insights into consumer sentiment and themes like product quality, pricing, and loyalty. Implications on our brand. Our brand can use text analysis tools to understand customer feedback at scale. This allows us to identify common concerns like authenticity or price and improve messaging. AI-generated replies can help streamline customer service with a human-like tone. Competitor benchmarking, Section 3. Our top 3 competitors are Nike, Lululemon, and Alo. Nike focuses on affordability, while Lululemon and Alo prioritize luxury appeal. My analysis found that there's an opportunity in combining value with a unique aesthetic. For example, comparing Nike, Lululemon, and Alo Yoga revealed key differences in web traffic and engagement. Nike dominates in reach with 114 million monthly visits, while Lululemon shows deeper engagement with longer session durations. These insights guide benchmarking for a smaller brand's digital growth. Insights from comparison. Nike's broad appeal comes from its global presence and multi-channel strategy. Lululemon fosters deeper connections through loyalty and niche targeting. Our vintage brand could combine both approaches. This would broaden its reach while building strong community relationships. Application to our brand. To mirror Nike's success, we can use storytelling and product drops on Instagram to build excitement. To emulate Lululemon, we can create a loyalty program and engage consistently with our core audience. Tracking performance with analytic tools would help us better understand trafficking sources. What would set our brand apart is the combination of unique vintage pieces with modern sustainability messaging. Unlike mass-produced clothing, each item tells a story. Policy monitoring via Reddit, Section 4. Reddit analysis, pre versus post tariff. Before the U.S. auto tariff was announced, Reddit users were curious and speculative. After the announcement, sentiment turned negative, with dealership workers and consumers voicing real-world concerns. Posts became more emotional, detailed, and widely shared. Say It theme analysis. Using Say It revealed shifts in keyword clusters over time. Themes like affordability, used cars, and car loans emerged as dominant post-tariff topics. Influential voices in the threads included industry insiders, which added credibility and urgency to the conversation. Takeaways for our vintage brand. Reddit is a powerful space for listening to consumer concerns and trends in real time. Threads on Reddit/thrift store hauls show what vintage buyers care about: authenticity, affordability, and style ideas. Monitoring these conversations inform product decision and content planning. Managerial implications, Section 5. What should we do next? We can use Instagram to drive sales through storytelling, create interactive reels and styling content, partner with micro-influencers in sustainable fashion, and monitor Reddit or Blue Sky for real-time feedback. Learning reflections, Section 6. New skills developed. Throughout the class, I learned many new things as well as skills. For example, social listening. I learned how to use social listening tools like Say It or Numerous AI. I learned content creation and platform targeting, as well as data synthesis across all platforms. Career application, Section 7. Throughout the course, I learned the ability to translate online sentiment into strategy. I learned how translating online sentiment into strategy is crucial for careers in digital marketing like strategy consulting or brand management. I've also added these new tools and techniques to my LinkedIn profile to reflect the value I can bring to future employers. In conclusion, leveraging social listening, text analysis, and competitor benchmarking is essential for staying ahead in today's competitive landscape. By continuously monitoring and analyzing online conversations, extracting meaningful insights from text data, and evaluating our performance against industry benchmarks, we can make informed decisions, drive innovation, and achieve sustainable growth. Thank you all for your time.